After loving the MAXGROOM Body Shaver Set, model LK-881, I was excited to try the MAXGROOM Hair Clippers Set, model WF-3908. I cut my own head hair, so this is the perfect package. It has a 9,000 RPM magnetic motor that's able to easily handle my somewhat coarse black and gray hair. This package is truly something special. In the box, you get the main barber clipper razor, a secondary zero gap trimmer razor, 8 sizes of razor guards, 4 of which are trimmer guards, and then 4 different combs, a professional hair cape, a semi-hard travel case. Everything fits in there except the cape. A cleaning brush, USB-C to USB-A charging cable, although any USB-C charging will work fine, and a comprehensive user guide. There's no blade oil, but I have my own. As you can see from the before and after photos, it did a bang-up job on the sides and back of my head. It's a smooth, satisfying cut. I also love the 100-minute runtime. The usual price is under $80 for this set, but it's often on sale for much less. Either way, it's a heck of a deal and it's now my go-to head hair cutting system. Between this and the hair clipper set, it's clear that MAXGROOM knows their stuff. I put the link in the description.